If you are thinking about going to MWC Barcelona 2026, whether you are choosing which pass to buy or wondering if you might be able to get one for free, ask yourself one simple question: what are you actually going there for? MWC is massive. The main event takes place at Fira Gran Via, with 8 large halls and thousands of exhibitors, and not all of them offer the same value. Here's a quick and practical overview so you can plan with clarity. Walking across the venue can easily take 15 to 20 minutes depending on the crowd. If you do not plan, you waste time. Hall 1 is Telecom infrastructure. Operators, 5G advanced, early 6G discussions, private networks, global connectivity strategy. It is corporate and strategic. Start here if you want the big picture. Hall 2 is devices and connected ecosystems, smartphones, wearables, hardware integrated with cloud and AI. This is one of the most visual and busiest halls. If you want to see products launching soon, this is your starting point. Hall 3 is backend technology, cloud platforms, edge computing, data centers, cybersecurity. Less visual, but deeper. If you have a technical profile, this hall often delivers more substance than the device areas. Hall 4 brings national pavilions and mid-sized tech companies, applied solutions for industry, logistics, healthcare, and smart cities. More practical, often less crowded. Hall 5 is one of the most interesting halls for industrial and technical professionals. Robotics, automation, industrial IoT, connected mobility. You often see real machines running live. This is also the kind of area I tend to focus on during my coverage, especially when companies present technically solid innovation. If you care about applied AI and real industry, do not skip this hall. Hall 6 is Fintech and digital identity, mobile payments, eSIM, financial technology, more business-oriented than visual. Hall 7 is enterprise software and system integration, large-scale digital transformation and B2B solutions. Inside Gran Via, Hall 8 hosts 4YFN. This is the startup and investor ecosystem. Early-stage companies, pitch stages, emerging ideas, fast-paced and unpredictable. Separately, the talent arena takes place at Fira Montjuïc, in another part of the city. It is not inside the main venue. Talent arena focuses on developers, training sessions, hackathons, and recruitment. If you are early in your career or looking to grow technically, it can be very valuable. But visiting both venues requires additional planning and travel time. If you only have limited hours, choose based on your objective. Devices and impact, Hall 2. Telecom strategy, Hall 1. Deep infrastructure, Hall 3. Industry and robotics, Hall 5. Startups and innovation, Hall 8. MWC is not about walking everywhere, it is about filtering. Plan before you enter and you'll get far more value from your visit. And if you cannot attend in person, you can follow the event through my live walkthrough streams during the Congress, where I show the halls in real time and highlight the most interesting technologies. If after watching this you feel MWC makes sense for you but you still do not have a pass, connect with me on LinkedIn. You can find me as Patchy Collado. Sometimes exhibitors still have free invitation options available, and I can guide you on how to request them properly if they are still open.